Trawler sank after collision with very large ore carrier, 12 missing, China. Very large ore carrier VATHY collided with fishing vessel of Zhejing Fisheries, Zhejing 02611, at around 0100 Beijing time March 12, east of Yangtze estuary, Yellow Sea. Fishing vessel sank, of 14 fishermen on board, 2 were rescued, 12 are missing, SAR still going on. VATHY is en route from Australia to Caofeidian, China, Bohai Bay, Yellow Sea. No ace during last 24 hours, probably the ship was detained after collision. Bulk carrier VATHY, IMO 927-9393, DWT 229186, built 2004, flag Bahamas, manager SAMOS Steamship, Cyprus, EQUASIS.